Oh, ignore my house. It's so messy. It's such a mess. Okay. We're gonna go get some rabbits today, I think. Maybe. I haven't made any promises yet. We're gonna go see. Very exciting. Their poop is amazing for the garden. Like, amazing. All right, here we go.
Catch rabbits?
We're gonna go catch rabbits?
Yes.
What do you have on your face?
Tattoos?
Oh, yeah? Do you like tattoos?
Yes.
I'm gonna show you guys real quick what my car always looks like. It's so embarrassing and so disgusting, and
Hi.
it's always filled with chicken junk. Buckets and bedding and food and trash, extra diapers, underwear, and of course, food, and children. Hi.
Hi.
All right, so what do you guys see up in the sky?
I know airplane's so high that just a big dog.
Just a little dot? I think I see one of the clouds look like a whale. That one over there, y'all see that? Yeah.
Look at that one right there. It looks like a dog. I see one that looks like a mug. That looks like a sister kissing its puppy.
Oh, kissing its puppy. I saw this morning on Instagram that one of my friends in North Carolina is wearing a sweater.
Oh,
It's
really?
almost sweater weather.
I
I'm
was
so
hiking last
excited.
night in a long sleeve.
Serious?
Yeah, it was chilly this morning too, dude.
Sweater weather. I'm so excited.
Here, you wanna love on it? Here, hold it like this and turn for your picture.
Look at, oh, she's on cloud nine.
Rabbits.
Come
Daddy.
So we end up with all females or all males, you know? We can still use their fertilizer until we find a female or a male to incorporate.
Right, totally.
I wonder what.
Okay, so right now Daddy is in the store getting some poultry netting, and I wanted to introduce you to this girl or boy. I'm not really sure which. We believe that we have 2 boys and 2 girls, but they're still pretty young, and it was hard for the gentleman at the store to tell. So he thinks that it's 2 boys and 2 girls. We ended up getting all 4 of them. This one's what should this one's name be? How about Midnight? We'll name this one Midnight. You are so cute. Look how
The brown
cute.
one's gonna be
Look how cute he is.
The brown one's whipped cream because it's all
Whipped
white.
So the problem that I already see is that we are getting these rabbits for 2 reasons. We are going to be using their fertilizer because their rabbit droppings are very, very good for the garden. But we are also going to be breeding them and possibly, yes, eating them. That is part of the homestead life, and I've never eaten rabbit before. It'll be an experience. But it's gonna be a ways away before we do that. It'll be a while before we do that. It'll probably be, you know, a good year or so. They're not gonna be able to be bred until the springtime, and the man at the store told us that they can actually have babies every single month. So we might be swimming in rabbits come next year. But aren't they cute? Aren't they a little adorable?
Mom, can you help me pick? I got mine.
Say bye-bye. Okay, we're back. I just realized I really need to put away that pool because at a certain point I've just stopped looking at it. You know, when you have something that's just lying around for a very long time and you just forget that it's there, you don't even see it anymore. I just realized that until I turned on the camera. I was like, oh wait, there's a pool hanging up on the clothesline that's trying to dry out for like 2 weeks now. Hey, y'all, check out these hibiscus that are in my yard. My mom got these for me. They're amazing. Look at that. They're beautiful. They're so pretty. Like there's let's see, that one's another one. They're getting eaten up by Japanese beetles. I darn hate the Japanese beetles. But here's the other one over here. It's all closed up, but these flowers are just ginormous, if you can see that. It's huge. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so we are back at the house, and I am trying not to freak out that we just got rabbits. That was totally an impulse purchase. Okay, it wasn't totally an impulse purchase because we've been talking about it for a very long time, but it was definitely not something that I woke up this morning thinking, oh, today's the day we're gonna get rabbits. It was totally like, I think we're gonna go get some rabbits today. So we went and got some rabbits. And this is what we're doing today out of necessity. We have slowly been doing this. It's another run. Our plan with this run. that we started designing this run, we decided that of the 4 turkeys that we bought, we were going to keep 2 of them since we knew that we had a male and a female, and we were going to breed them so that next year we can have lots of turkeys and lots of meat. So we decided to make this run to accommodate them. And then we decided to add a few chickens in to the turkeys because I think that that will just kind of help them in figuring out how to lay eggs and how to go into the coop at night and that sort of thing, because chickens are really good at that and turkeys are really stupid. And now that we have rabbits, we are also going to incorporate the rabbits into this run. So we're gonna see how this all goes. It's a learning experience. We're first timers on all of this stuff. So you can follow us along and learn from our mistakes, because I'm sure we will make plenty of them.
So 816 plus the top is 4 feet 20. I'm gonna give us a foot of room on each side.
This is like the weirdest, what the heck is that? I don't know, but it's like stuck. It's a very stupid bug, whatever it is. It's not the smartest. What is that? Like a cross between a bee and a wasp. Quick potty break. Did you pee on me?
Yes.
Yes?
Mommy.
You're not supposed to pee on me. You're supposed to pee in the potty, remember? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Maggie. Y'all want to see Maggie? You met Maggie yet? This is Maggie, our 3-legged dog. She's, gosh, how old are you, sweetie? Are you 12? You're 12. 12? I think you're 12. Y'all want to hear the story about that? Leave me a comment below and I'll tell you the story about how Maggie became a 3-legged dog. She's a sweetie, though. Maggie. Check out this. This is, I forgot what, I always forget what kind every time I record. That is a, oh, it's like a striped green squash. It has a name and it's like a very special kind of seed that I got, and right now it's doing really, really well. Y'all check out this guy over here. He has been my best squash to date. Look at him. Oh, isn't he pretty? So we'll see how he tastes. It's a really good seed that I got from a local nursery, and for a long time this vine wasn't doing anything. I was getting really upset because it was just kind of taking over my entire yard, but then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it starts getting all of these little blooms. Now that one's got blossom rot because we've gotten way too much rain here lately, and I had a whole bunch of squash get blossom rot this year just because there was no rain and then there was a ton of rain, so I don't see any more fruit, but that guy's doing really great. I almost want to harvest him just so that nothing eats him. I'm like so terrified that I'm going to lose that one. He's my favorite thus far. So it's not done yet, but we are going to call it quits for today because we're all tired. And now we are going to go clean out the small chicken coop to put the rabbits in, because my husband and I are actually allergic to rabbits, so they cannot come inside. And right now they are hiding out in our 3rd bathroom that we only use for, ironically, for chickens and rabbits. So I'm going to go clean out the small coop and get them set up for the night in there. Come along. All right, now you can go mess with it.
Aw, man.
There it goes. So one of the bad things about living in the woods, living on a farm, living in general, is snakes. And normally I'm really not afraid of snakes. I used to have a snake. I kind of enjoy snakes except when they eat baby birds in my yard, which has happened several times now, and except when they are copperheads and I have small children playing around. So unfortunately, that guy got away from us and we are still on the lookout for him. But he was a nasty sucker. So that sucks. I wish I would have killed him. Wish we would have been able to kill him, but hopefully he won't eat our chickens or rabbits or anything. That thing was huge. It was big.
Oh, look at them snuggling.
Look at the brown one.
Oh, they're kind of liking this.
Hey! There's the other white one.
The rabbits are all set up in their coop for tonight. That is not going to be their final home, but it will be their home for tonight. And we are going to be working on rabbit cages, and we're going to be finishing up that other coop tomorrow. But I think we're going to call it a quit. I think we're going to call it quits for today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.